Someday, someone will come and uplift my life. Someday I'll live life to its fullest. Someone will give me everything in life in a platter. Someone will come and help me figure it all out. One day, my life will be so magical. I call this postponing leadership. Leadership of your life. Most of us love dreaming like this, but the hard truth is, someone never comes. Someday never comes, and nothing magical ever happens unless you take the charge of your life, unless you take the ownership of your life, unless you become the leader of your life and create opportunities for that magic to happen. Create opportunities for bringing those people into your life and create opportunities for bringing that day to reality. And then magic happens every day. It becomes part of your life. And when you look back in your life, you realize your life has completely transformed. It has shifted gears. Though it is a slow process, but once you embrace it, life becomes magical. So today I want to ask you, why are we postponing leadership? Leadership in taking charge of our life and becoming the leader of our life. Why do we expect someone to come along and help us figure out what to do with our life? Why do we expect someone to help us live the life of our dreams? Why do we expect someone to help us climb the corporate ladder? We think someday we will start working on our dreams. Someday we will start exercising and we will start taking care of our health. Someday we'll do this, someday we'll do that. And in all this, time flies. When we are in school or college, we expect our teachers to guide us, to help us. When we are at home, we expect our parents to support us and to help us. In a professional setup, we expect our boss, our senior, our organization to help us grow in our career. While there is no problem in taking guidance, help and support from other people, organization, parents and teachers, seeking that is our responsibility. In postponing leadership, are we not just existing in life and postponing living life truly? So I would like to know from you in the comment section, why do we postpone leadership? In my next video, I will share 3 tools with you on how to stop postponing leadership, life leadership. I am Garima Arora Kannan. This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.